it's Meg. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Let's go! If you guys are watching this video or any video on social media, please don't ever forget to always wash your hands and to sanitize. And if galing kayo sa labas, don't forget to take a bath first before interacting with any of your family members. Isama natin sa prayers natin all of our frontliners who are risking their lives just to save us. And also, always pray for the health of our families and friends. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to show you paano ko ba na-achieve yung heatless curls. Guys, I know you heard it right, heatless. Without the use of any curling iron, curling wand, or straightener, whatever you call it. I'm gonna show you kung paano ko na-achieve yung beachy wavy curls ko. Further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so ipapakita ko na sa inyo paano ko ginawa yung heatless curls. Not that you guys are curious or anything. First is, actually kakaligo ko lang pero mabilis matuyo yung hair ko kasi manipis yung hair ko. Anyways, so first is, dapat yung hair nyo basa. So, I have water here. So, basahin ko yung hair ko. So, medyo ano siya, nung na-try ko siya at first, pagkagising ko, medyo frizzy na yung hair ko. So, mag-a-apply ako ng hair styler. So, apply ko lang siya. Baka sakaling hindi maging frizzy yung hair ko the next day. And then, hatiin nyo lang siya sa gitna, sa middle part. Wait, dito middle. Alam mo yung feeling ko lagi nasa middle ko siya hinati, pero hindi eh. And then, okay, second, pagkahati nyo, kuha kayo like ng either long socks, like medyas ng kuya nyo or ng papa nyo or any socks that you have. If you have that, or tali ng robe nyo, kasi yun yung gagamitin ko. So, ito siya. And you need ponytail. So, I'm gonna use 2 ponytails. So, ito yung tali ng robe. And, gaganto ka lang siya. Tapos, it's up to you guys kung gano'n yung gusto kakapal. Like, ito, ganito kakapal yung gusto ko. So, iikot ko lang siya. Pero make sure pag inikot nyo, like, sobrang tight dun sa tali. And then, ang ginagawa ko, yung next na strand, ibang way naman. Para yung labas ng curls, alternate. Like, kung paano kayo mag-curl. And, yung last strand, kung paano nyo ginawa yung una. The frick, kainis. Annoying. Okay, ulit from the start. Ganun ko lang yung dulo, yung end, para hindi masyado siyang, ano mo yun, nakasagabal. Then, itatali ko na siya. Okay, so sa kabilang side, ganun lang din. So, if kumuha kayo ng malaking chunk ng hair, ganun lang din yung gagawin niya sa kabilang side. Para same. And then, yung isa sa mistake ko din, nung first time ko siya ginawa is, magkaiba yung way nung dalawang sides. Like, ito parang papasok, tapos ito palabas, ganun. So, medyo weird. So, dapat same lang. So, itong technique na to, nakuha ko lang siya sa TikTok. So, make sure nyo na sobrang tight ng pag-ikot nyo kasi nangyari sa akin. So, hindi siya like sobrang tight. So, pagkagising ko, loosen up na siya. So, hindi ganun ka-tight yung curl. So, ito ngayon, medyo tinaitan ko na siya para mas effective. Okay, so, I'll see you guys in the morning.
Rise and shine.
Good morning, guys. So, it's the next day. Sobrang bangag ko pa. Anyway, let's see what my curls looks like. Okay, it looks nice. Not bad. Just have to comb it para hindi masyadong OA. Sana same na yung curls, no? Sana pantay na siya. Oh, it's nice. Ang baba ng curl, nasa baba lang. Compare sa curl ko yesterday, mas maganda to. Somehow.
Bye.
Alright, you guys, I hope you learned something. And I swear, these curls, it lasts you a long time. Like, until night, as long as you haven't washed it. So nice, right? Thank you guys for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe this video so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new one. Bye!